Hello friends, today we see the preparation of aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde and ketones by two methods. First is oxidation and second is dehydrogenation method. Oxidation of alcohol. Oxidation of alcohols. Here is primary and secondary alcohols oxidize in presence of potassium dichromate in presence of H2SO4. To gives primary alcohol gives aldehyde, secondary alcohol gives ketone, and tertiary alcohol does not oxidize in presence of K2Cr2O7 and H2SO4. It's oxidized in presence of acidic KMNO4. Now let's see the example. First is primary and secondary alcohols oxidize in presence of K2Cr2O7 and H2SO4 to gives aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde and ketones. Now first reaction of K2Cr2O7 plus 4H2SO4, 4 molecules of H2SO4 to give the reaction of K2SO4 plus Cr2SO4 thrice plus 4H2O and thrice oxygen is released. Now let's see with the example of primary alcohol. Primary alcohol ethanol. Here we can indicate the primary alcohol in presence of oxygen K2Cr2O7 and H2SO4 to gives oxidize this primary alcohol to gives aldehyde. Is acetaldehyde. If further oxidation of this acetaldehyde to gives ethanoic acid. Further oxidation ethanoic acid. Again, next example is secondary alcohol. 2-propanol. In presence of K2Cr2O7 and H2SO4 oxidize this hydroxy group CH3 C double bond O CH3 to give acetone. Now here tertiary alcohol does not oxidize in presence of K2Cr2O7 and H2SO4. Does not oxidize because here is no presence of alpha hydrogen. But oxidize in presence of acidic KMnO4. This is the oxidation of alcohol to obtain the aldehyde and ketones. Its first oxidation method. Second is dehydrogenation of alcohols. Dehydrogenation of alcohol. In this reaction, primary and secondary alcohols, its vapors passes to a heated copper in presence of 573 Kelvin temperature to give aldehyde and ketones. Now here we can write down primary and secondary alcohol its vapors pass through a heated copper metal at 573 Kelvin, so gives aldehyde and ketones. Now we give the example. CH3 CH2 OH. It is a primary alcohol. Vapors of this primary alcohol passing through the heated copper metal CH3 C double bond O H, removal of H2. Dehydrogenation. Two molecules of hydrogen is released and to form acetaldehyde. This is first example. And second example is secondary alcohol dehydrogenation in presence of copper metal at 573 Kelvin to give ketone. secondary alcohol. Now here we can write down vapors, ethanol vapors. Secondary alcohol vapors. Passing through a heated copper metal and to produce the ketone acetone. Acetone and release of two hydrogens. This is the second method of preparation of aldehyde and ketones. First is oxidation of alcohol. Second is dehydrogenation of alcohols. And next method, preparations of B part, aldehyde and ketones, we see later.